If the vertices of a triangle are ABC, then show that the area of the triangle is given by half of A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. You have to prove this. Suppose the vertex, this is the vertex of a triangle X, another vertex Y, the third vertex is Z. And this vertex, X vertex is represented by C vector, Y vertex is A vector, Z vector is B vector. And we know to find the area of a triangle, we have to use this formula. That is, area is equal to half into yz cross zx. Yz cross zx. You cannot take the vector yx. Suppose you make it a parallelogram. I am making a parallel line here, drawing a parallel line here. Okay, then this will be a parallelogram. See, this is a parallelogram, and for this parallelogram, the area is equal to this vector cross this vector, not this vector, because this will be the diagonal. So while finding out the area of a triangle which is equal to half of the parallelogram, this is the area of the whole parallelogram, and half of the parallelogram is equal to area of this triangle. So when you find out the area of this triangle, you find the you take the half of the cross product of this vector. That means for this for this triangle, you take this vector and this vector, cross product of these two vectors, not this vector. And here we have taken the this vertex y equal to a vector, this vertex z is equal to b vector, and this vertex x is equal to c vector. Then what will be the yz vector? You see, yz vector will be equal to b vector minus a vector. So in yz you write b vector minus a vector. Similarly, for this vector zx, this vector, the vector will be equal to c vector minus b vector. So I have written here c vector minus b vector. So you have to take the cross product of b minus a cross c minus b. So if you take the cross product, this will be equal to b cross c minus b cross b minus a cross c plus a cross b. And if you rearrange the cross product, you see the area will be equal to half. Here I have written a cross b, then b cross c, and what will be b cross b? B cross b will be equal to b cross b will be equal to 0. So this value will be equal to 0. Then minus a cross c. Minus a cross c will be equal to plus c cross a. So the area will be equal to half of the magnitude of a cross b plus b cross c plus c cross a. In this way, you can find out the area of a triangle by using this relation if the vertices vectors are given.